Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add LED frame on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And then in here, you just click on a video effect. And at the menu, you can swipe until you can see frame. This one, click on it. And then in here you can swipe down until you can see LED frame effect. This one, this is the LED frame, so you just click on it, and then in here you can click check icon. Now you can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust. You can adjust for the speed and then for the opacity. And after this, you can click check icon in here. And now you can set the frame until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add LED frame on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.